The Battle of Agincourt took place on the 25th of October 1415. Henry V had launched a campaign against France in a continuation of the 100 Years' War, which had started because Edward III believed he had had the rights to the French crown when it was given to Philip VI in 1328. Henry took the fortified port of Harfleur after a long siege, and his battered army was eventually chased by the French army as Henry tried to escape to Calais, but they caught up by the small village of Agincourt. The French heavily outnumbered the English, whose army mostly consisted of English and Welsh longbowmen, with the rest being a small number of melee infantry. The French army featured a range of infantry, crossbowmen, and heavily armoured mounted knights. Henry cleverly deployed his forces to protect his flanks, and conditions favoured the English, as the heavily armoured French got stuck in the newly ploughed fields. In addition, the French commanders had difficulty controlling the rowdy nobles who just charged in. The English won the battle with minimal losses, and the French suffered a humiliating defeat. A peace treaty was eventually signed that made Henry and his heirs the heirs to the French crown, but he died too early to take advantage of this. That was Agincourt in a minute, thank you, bye.